Hello, Professor and classmates. My name is Christina Silva, and I will be talking to you today about the importance of eye contact. Eye contact is very important when it comes to nonverbal communication. When you're speaking with others, eye contact is extremely important to communicate effectively. Eye contact is important for so many reasons. Some of them include communicating with confidence, engagement with the audience, concentration, quality of communication, and respect. Eye contact communicates confidence. Maintaining eye contact during speeches or any communication displays confidence to the listener or whatever audience you're in front of. It therefore increases credibility in the eyes of the audience or the listener. When you can speak with confidence, this will eliminate the amount of errors or any incorrect information you might deliver in your speech. Confidence within the speaker will also help ease your nerves. When you're more confident, you feel more confident in the information you're delivering, therefore improving your speech. This also shows the audience professionalism that you have thoroughly prepared for your speech. Eye contact encourages audience engagement. When you can make that eye-to-eye contact with the audience, you're in a way inviting them to be a part of whatever you're trying to speak to them about, therefore making them feel involved and more emotionally attached to whatever you're saying. Without eye contact, the audience could lose interest and their minds will begin to wander from whatever topic you're trying to say. Like I stated before, it truly invites in the listener to view whatever topic you're trying to speak to them about. This also ensures that the audience is paying attention. When you can make that eye-to-eye contact with them, it helps your confidence, as we stated before, but audience engagement, you'll know that they are listening to whatever you're trying to say respectfully instead of making their eyes wander also. Eye contact improves speaker concentration. So, as we stated before, eye contact not only ensures that your audience is listening, but when you can make that eye contact with them, this will actually help with your concentration on whatever material you're trying to deliver. Once you can focus your eyes, you can improve the delivery of your speech. Once you are concentrated again, your nerves will subside and you'll be able to deliver accurate information. It's also the key to deliver the information you plan to convey to your audience. Once you're concentrated, you can remember all those facts you wanted to state and all the information you wanted to include in your speech. Next, eye contact also improves the quality of communication. As we stated before, eye contact will aid in concentration, helping the speaker be able to slow down and not hurry or rush through topics. They'll be able to slow down so the audience and listeners can really understand what they're trying to say, therefore improving the quality of your speech because you're improving how the audience can understand what you're saying instead of rushing through and stumbling over your words. For an example, if the speaker continually looks around, not making eye contact with the audience, the audience will get distracted. They'll only be able to focus on the speaker's nonverbal communication instead of the information they're trying to deliver. Lastly, eye contact is a sign of respect. As we know, in many cultures all over the world, eye contact is considered a huge sign of respect. But we have to know the difference between eye contact, effective eye contact, and glaring. Just so we want to invite the audience in, not scare them away or intimidate them. Warm, friendly eyes, again, can invite your audience in, show them that you respect them, Therefore, they can respect you and listen to whatever you'd like to say. As it's stated, the presence or lack of eye contact can communicate dominance, honesty, interest, respect, a lot of different things. So it's best that we remember that we want to give our audience respect so we can have their respect, so they can listen to what we're trying to say. In conclusion, eye contact is extremely important, not only in speeches, but in any communication we're trying to have with others. It will help with confident engagement of the audience, our concentration, the quality of our communication, and respect. Thank you so much for listening.